Stop scrolling. That ordinary Washington quarter in your pocket could be worth far more than 25 cents. In today's video, we're uncovering the top 6 most valuable United States Washington quarter dollar coins, all compared in the same condition, yet carrying dramatically different values in the auction market. These coins may look similar at first glance, but their rarity, minting history, and collector demand can turn them into serious money. If you've ever ignored a quarter, this video might just change the way you see your spare change forever. So let's get started. First up, the 1981 Washington quarter with the D Mint mark struck at the Denver Mint. At first glance, this coin may seem like just another piece of pocket change, especially in circulated condition. But what if I told you that some of these quarters have caught the attention of collectors and have even reached surprising values in the auction market? Stay with us as we explore the fascinating story behind this coin and reveal whether your 1981 D quarter could be worth far more than 25 cents. The Washington quarter was first introduced in 1932 to honor the 200th birthday of George Washington. Designed by John Flanagan, the coin quickly became a staple of American currency. By 1981, the quarter had already undergone several decades of circulation, and the composition had changed from silver to a copper-nickel clad following 1965. The 1981 D quarter was produced during a time when mint sets were less widely saved compared to later years, which plays a crucial role in its collectability today. Although millions were minted, high-quality examples are surprisingly difficult to find, especially in circulated condition that still retains decent detail. The 1981 D Washington quarter features the familiar left-facing portrait of George Washington on the obverse, with the word Liberty above and In God We Trust inscribed to the left. The date, 1981, appears below, while the small D Mint mark identifies its origin from the Denver Mint. On the reverse, you'll find a majestic eagle with outstretched wings, clutching arrows and olive branches, symbols of strength and peace. Even in circulated condition, collectors look for coins with visible hair details on Washington's head, clear lettering, and minimal wear on the eagle's feathers. What makes certain examples stand out are minting errors such as off-center strikes, die cracks, or weak strikes, which can significantly increase their desirability and value. While the total mintage of the 1981 D quarter exceeded hundreds of millions, rarity is not always about low numbers. In this case, the rarity comes from condition scarcity. Many 1981 D quarters entered circulation and were heavily used, leaving very few in high-grade condition today. This phenomenon is often referred to as a condition rarity. Collectors actively search for well-preserved circulated examples that still display strong details, as well as uncirculated coins with sharp strikes. Additionally, the lack of widespread saving of mint sets during that era has made pristine coins even harder to find, increasing demand among numismatists. In circulated condition, most 1981 D Washington quarters are typically valued between $4 million depending on their wear and overall appearance. However, coins with better than average detail and eye appeal can fetch higher prices, sometimes reaching $4 million among collectors. The real excitement begins when you encounter coins with exceptional preservation or rare mint errors. In auction settings, high-grade uncirculated examples have been known to sell for $4 million, and in rare cases, premium quality specimens have crossed the $4 million mark. Even circulated coins with unique errors can command impressive prices, making every find worth a closer look. If you're searching for valuable 1981 D quarters, always start by examining your pocket change and coin rolls. Pay close attention to details such as the sharpness of Washington's hair, the clarity of the inscriptions, and the condition of the eagle on the reverse. Avoid cleaning your coins, as this can significantly reduce their value. Instead, store them in protective holders to preserve their condition. Learning to mint errors and understanding grading standards can also give you an advantage in identifying coins with higher potential value. Patience is key, as valuable finds often come from consistent searching and careful observation. The 1981 D Washington quarter may seem ordinary at first, but it holds a unique place in the world of coin collecting. Its story is a reminder that rarity is not always about age or mintage numbers, it's often about condition and preservation. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting your journey, this coin offers an exciting opportunity to hidden value in everyday currency. Next up, what if a simple coin from 1985 sitting quietly in your collection, or even your pocket, could be worth far more than just 25 cents? Today, we're exploring the fascinating story of the 1985 Washington $quarter coin with the PE mint mark, especially those found in fine condition. While this coin may appear common at first glance, collectors know that certain details, condition levels, and rare variations can turn an ordinary quarter into a valuable piece in the auction market. Stay with me as we uncover the hidden potential behind this intriguing coin and why it continues to capture attention among coin enthusiasts. The Washington quarter, first introduced in 1932, was created to honor the legacy of George Washington, the first President of the United States. By 1985, the series had already become one of the most recognizable coins in American currency. The PE Mint mark indicates that this particular coin was struck at the Philadelphia Mint, which, by that time, had resumed using mint marks after their temporary removal in the mid-1960s. The 1985 quarter was produced using a copper nickel-clad composition, a standard that replaced silver coinage in 1965. Although millions of these coins were minted, the majority entered circulation immediately, making well-preserved examples in fine condition increasingly desirable over time. The 1985 Washington quarter features the classic portrait of George Washington on the obverse, designed by John Flanagan. In fine condition, the coin still retains moderate detail, with visible hairlines above Washington's ear and a clear outline of his profile, though some wear is noticeable on the points. The reverse showcases a powerful eagle with outstretched wings, clutching arrows and olive branches, symbolizing both strength and peace. In fine condition, the eagle's feathers remain partially detailed, and the rim and lettering are still bold and readable. The PE Mint mark, located to the right of Washington's ponytail, is a key identifier of its origin. What truly adds uniqueness to this coin are possible mint errors, such as off-center strikes, die cracks, or doubling, which can significantly enhance its value even if the coin shows signs of circulation. The 1985 PE quarter was minted in large numbers. True rarity emerges when condition and special characteristics are taken into account. Coins in fine condition are more common than uncirculated examples, but collectors still seek out the best preserved pieces with strong detail and minimal damage. Demand increases further when coins display unusual minting errors or exceptional eye appeal. Over time, many 1985 quarters have been lost, damaged, or heavily worn, which gradually reduces the number of collectible examples available. This steady decline, combined with ongoing interest from collectors, helps maintain demand in the market. In fine condition, a standard 1985 PE Washington quarter typically holds a value ranging from around $1 million depending on its overall appearance and detail. However, coins that stand out due to superior preservation or attractive toning can command higher prices. The real excitement begins when rare errors are discovered. A 1985 PE quarter with noticeable doubling, off-center striking, or other minting anomalies can sell for $1 million at auction. In exceptional cases, rare and well-documented error coins have reached values in the thousands of dollars, making them highly desirable among serious collectors. If you're interested in finding a valuable 1985 PE quarter, start by carefully examining coins you already have. Pay close attention to the details in Washington's hair and the eagle's feathers, as these can help you judge the condition. Use a magnifying glass to look for signs of doubling, cracks, or unusual features that could indicate a mint error. It's important to handle coins gently and avoid cleaning them, as cleaning can significantly reduce their value. Storing your coins in protective holders will help preserve their condition over time. If you believe you've found a rare or valuable piece, consider having it professionally graded, as certification can greatly increase its credibility and market price. The 1985 Washington quarter with the PE Mint mark is a perfect example of how even modern coins can hold hidden value. While many of these quarters remain in circulation, those in fine condition with strong details or rare errors can become valuable assets in the world of coin collecting. Its historical background, combined with the potential for unique variations, makes this coin more than just everyday currency. Next up, the 1990s. Something many people still remember using every day could actually be worth far more than its face value today. In this video, we're diving deep into the 1996 Washington $quarter coin with the P Mint mark, especially those found in fine condition. While it may look like an ordinary piece of change, collectors know that certain details, preservation levels, and rare variations can transform this coin into a surprisingly valuable asset in the auction market. Let's explore why this modern-era quarter is gaining attention and how it could be worth more than you think. The Washington Quarter series, first introduced in 1932, has remained one of the most iconic coins in United States history, honoring President George Washington. By 1996, the coin was part of everyday circulation across the country, produced in large numbers to meet economic demand. The P Mint mark indicates that this coin was struck at the Philadelphia Mint, one of the oldest and most important mints in the United States. These quarters were made using a copper-nickel-clad composition, which had been standard since 1965 after silver was removed from circulating coinage. Although millions of 1996 P quarters were produced, most entered circulation and experienced wear over time, making well-preserved examples in fine condition increasingly collectible. The 1996 P Washington quarter features the classic portrait of George Washington on the obverse, designed by John Flanagan. In fine condition, the coin retains moderate detail, with visible outlines in Washington's hair and facial features, though there is clear evidence of circulation wear on the higher of the design. The reverse side showcases the powerful eagle with outstretched wings, holding arrows and olive branches. In fine condition, many of the eagle's feather details are still partially visible, and the overall design remains clear and appealing. The P Mint mark, located just to the right of Washington's ponytail, confirms its origin. What makes this coin especially interesting to collectors are potential minting errors such as doubled dies, die cracks, or off-center strikes, which can significantly increase its desirability and value even in circulated conditions. While the 1996 P quarter is not considered rare in terms of mintage, true rarity emerges when you consider condition and unique features. Coins in fine condition are more collectible than heavily worn examples, especially when they retain strong design elements and clean surfaces. Over time, many coins from this year have been damaged, lost, or worn down, reducing the number of attractive collectible pieces available. Additionally, collectors are always on the lookout for error coins from this era, as these can be significantly more valuable than standard issues. The combination of steady collector interest and the gradual decline in high-quality examples helps maintain demand in the market. In fine condition, a typical 1996 P Washington quarter usually carries a value between $8 million depending on its overall quality and eye appeal. Coins that are slightly better preserved, with sharper details and minimal surface damage, may sell for higher prices. However, the real excitement comes with error coins or exceptional pieces. A 1996 P quarter featuring noticeable minting errors such as doubling or off-center strikes can easily reach $8 million or more at auction. In rare cases, highly unique or well-preserved error coins have been known to sell for $8 million, making them highly sought after by serious collectors. If you're hoping to find a valuable 1996 P quarter, start by examining your coins closely. Focus on the finer details of the design, such as the hair on Washington's head and the feathers on the eagle, to assess the condition. Using a magnifying glass can help you identify small errors or unusual characteristics that might otherwise go unnoticed. It's important not to clean your coins, as this can reduce their value significantly. Instead, store them in protective holders to preserve their condition. If you believe you've found a rare or valuable example, consider having it professionally graded and authenticated, as this can greatly increase its appeal and market value. The 1996 Washington quarter with the P Mint mark proves that even modern coins can hold hidden treasures for those willing to look closely. While many of these quarters remain in circulation, Those in fine condition with strong details or rare minting errors can carry impressive value in the auction market. Its historical place in U.S. coinage, combined with the potential for unique variations, makes it a fascinating coin for collectors of all levels. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing coin discoveries. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on hidden treasures that could be sitting right in your pocket. See you in the next video.